The Apex Predator Council is live. 8 predators. 1 verdict. August 12th is the only date that matters. The hunt begins now. Grizzly marks the kill zone. August 12th, CPI. After a jobs print of -23,000 with -103,000 in revisions, a hot CPI means one thing: stagflation. That is not a soft landing. That is the Fed trap between inflation and a cracking labor market. Fear and greed at 31 while equities hover near highs. The herd is being fed a narrative. The real threat is a CPI print above 3.3%. That fires the flash to 76.80. Silverback reads the coil. ES at 7,769.5, RSI dead neutral at 50, price pin to point of control 77.71. This is compressed energy before directional violence. The 10-year Treasury auction on August 11th is the preview. Bond demand tells you everything about where institutions think rates go next. Weak auction, yields spike, equities feel the ceiling. Strong auction, rates ease, and the melt-up has room to run. T-Rex sees the breakout loading. ES is trapped in a 6-point compression zone between value area low 77.68 and value area high 77.74. The 5-bar trend is rising but capped inside the range. That is accumulation, not exhaustion. The breakout direction hinges entirely on CPI Wednesday morning. T-Rex does not predict the number. T-Rex positions after the number prints and the direction confirms. Chasing before 8:30 a.m. Wednesday is how prey becomes food. Raptor has the entry windows. Binary event, binary setups. Long setup, CPI cool, ES holds value area low at 77.68, by the confirmation, stops 77.60, targets 78.20 to 78.50. Short setup, CPI hot above 3.3, ES break 77.60, sell the break, stops 77.75, target 7700 to 76.80. No trades before 8:30 a.m. Wednesday. No guessing the number. Let the market show its hand, then strike. Raptor does not predict. Raptor reacts with precision. Anaconda holds at equilibrium. ES is sitting directly on point of control 7,771, perfect balance between buyers and sellers. No unfilled gaps in the immediate structure. Price has rotated back to fair value. This is not the moment to force a trade. The range is 77.68 to 77.74. A 6-point box on a 7,000 handle instrument. That compression does not last. Anaconda waits for the coil to release, then wraps around the move. Great White detects the divergence. Crypto fear and greed at 31, extreme fear, while equities trade near all-time highs. Someone is lying. When sentiment diverges from price this sharply, the resolution is violent. VIX data is missing again. That blind spot in the system is a real risk. You cannot size tail risk plays without volatility data. The coil breaks one direction with force. Great White is in position for either. Falcon reads the information war from altitude. The headline narrative, poor jobs data calms rate hike fears, longest weekly win streak since 2023, soft landing on track. What is actually happening? Institutions are positioning for a rate cut cycle while retail is kept paralyzed between fear and FOMO. Smart money accumulated while fear and greed screamed fear. The carrot is rate cuts. The trap is believing the calendar stops at CPI. August 13th brings PPI. August 14th brings retail sales. August 15th brings consumer sentiment. This is a gauntlet, not a single event. Lion delivers the alpha verdict. Cautiously bullish. 6.5 out of 10. The pack is aligned, ES is coiled at fair value with institutional accumulation beneath the surface. The base case is a choppy grind higher to 78.20 to 78.50 if CPI prints below 3%. That is 55% probability. The bull case is a melt up to 7,900 plus if CPI comes in soft and the 10-year auction holds. The bear case is a flush to 76.80 to 7,700 if CPI prints above 3.3%, the 30% probability. The one risk nobody is pricing, a simultaneous hot CPI and failed 30-year auction on August 13th. That combination breaks the rate cut narrative completely. Wednesday 8:30 a.m. Pacific is the moment. The pack does not guess. The pack waits for confirmation, then strikes. The pack called it. Now you know. Project Olympus. Get access at olympusdigital.pro.